In this video, we are going to see how we can get the universe ID for your games on the Roblox mobile application, and then how we can use those universe ID in any audio file on Roblox. So it's a pretty straightforward process here, guys. First of all, what you need to do is just head over to the more option on the bottom right hand corner, and then we click on create. Here's the create option right here. We click on that, and once you see the place, all we have to do is just click on the three dots and click on open in the new tab. Once we open that up in the new tab, on the top left hand corner we see these three lines again, and from here we can go to this three dots option and click on copy universe ID. And after that we went one step back where we see this home screen. Directly when you click on the create button in the more tab, you head over to this section, right? So on the home tab you click on these three lines, click on creations, and here we have all of these options like experiences, share links, avatar, and development items. We head over to the development items, and at the bottom we can see this audio option. We click on that, and from here, once we, let's say, open up and upload any audio file, let me just quickly upload that. So once you select basically the audio file, currently I don't have any, you just click the three dots next to it, and from here you open up the configuration, and there you can paste the configuration ID at the bottom. So that's about it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.